Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In this video, I'm going to help you fix the annoying issue where PS5 won't start games or apps. It's a simple process, so let's jump right into it. Start by heading to the setting menu. Just click the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once you are in, go to users and account, then scroll down and select other. Now choose restore licenses on the right hand side. Make sure to check the box that include all your games. Then press restore. This will only take few seconds, around 5 to 10, and once it's done, you will see a message confirming it. Next, go back to the main settings screen. Open storage. Then tap on console storage and choose save data. Here select either PS5 games or PS4 games, depending on where you are seeing the problem. For this example, let's pick PS5 games. You will see a list of installed titles. Find the one that won't launch, select it and tap delete in the bottom corner. Don't worry, this won't remove the game itself, just the saved data that might be causing issue. Finally, head back to your home screen and give your PS5 a quick restart. Once it's power back on, the issue should be resolved. And if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.